Hello, good morning. It's Wendy from Windway Creations. Today I'm going to be doing super simple number 4 from Pink Monarch prints. So here's one I've done earlier this morning. It's got all the little pockets here with little tags in it. It flips out and you actually put this on, you glue it there, down the back there. Ooh, dropsy, along these three sides here to make a pocket. And I made a mistake when I did my prototype here. Well, this to show you, put my labels on back to front. So that should go in like that. But to see my, I suppose, no. Yeah, if I wanted with this one, just to make it right, I could do it that side. But you can have it either way. Okay, so that's just got a little journaling card in there. Let's make it. So first off, your base. It's your base bit. I'm going to do this bit. So what we're going to do is we're going to glue this bit here. Doesn't take long for your glue to dry, does it? Just being mindful of your creases. And then we're going to glue this shut. We have all these pockets, 3 on each side, that go on. I hope everyone's keeping well. And then the other side. Should have put these on before I... Doesn't matter. Glue it shut. Yes, I've got 2 more to do for you. I think it's 7 and it could be 6 and 8. I'm not sure. But I've got them cut out ready. I've just got to watch the video to remind myself how to do them. And I'll get them up. Okay. So in these pockets, I've got these little cards that go in there. Oh, I didn't put that down far enough. Never mind. Just cut a bit off the end of it. That's what I did with the prototype. And I put one of got it a bit better on the back. That's good. Okay. Right. Now, I was going to get a bit of paper. Oh. See, on my prototype, I didn't have any lace because I didn't have any inside when I did my little thing here. Just put my little bit of an old book page as extra. And Buzzy Bee. Little bee. Buzz, buzz. Oh, oh no. So quickly. And I'm just going to be putting a little phrase on. And I'm putting the things of my soul. I'm just going to glue this on this side and down the bottom to make a pocket. It goes just there. Okay. Next part is this one. Anna glues hers. She also does a lot of sewing. Like she might sew around the edge of this. I don't like sewing. I'm not a sewer. So I don't do it. But I don't close mine shut either. I leave mine open for extra journaling spots. So this one, how we're going to put this on. Was this a pocket? Yes. So this one's going to be made into a pocket, and you can slip a piece of coffee dyed paper in, or a piece of paper that's got something interesting on it, that, you know, for someone to read. A bit of trivia or something. Whatever you want to do. And then that goes in there. And Anna actually put a, oh, I did that a bit close to the edge. Get it the right way. Put that in there. Go down very well. And squeeze it hard enough, obviously. And a bit of ribbon. Like I said, I didn't have, on my previous video, I didn't have any ribbon or lace inside. So I'll put those on my little my other one. Now I'm out here in the workshop. I'm just putting a little bulb pin with a little dragonfly on it as a charm, and that just tucks in behind there. Okay, so that's a little bit bulky. Now I use these. I just put these. You have all these extra pieces, and I've just put them down on the bottom of the pockets here on each side, just as extra. Whatever you want to do to make it your own. Okay, so that's that one done. That's that part. You go to this one. So Wendy is going to put on her tags the right way. I don't know why I put all that glue on the back there like that. I don't know. Oh, tissue sticks to the glue on your fingers. Right. I've got it the right way now. Just put this one on the right way and I'll be right. Okay. Oh, sorry, back at the camera. Add a few things on the back, just for interest reading. Put a little marigold. I think that's what it is. Looks like a marigold. And this gets glued along the top and the bottom to make a pocket, side pocket. I'm just going to put this one here. On the front. That goes in the pocket like so. A bit more glue there. So you would, like I said, glue this along the top, the edge and the bottom, and then that slides in with the tags the right way this time. As I said, Anna, she sews around a lot of her things, and like she'll do that before she glues them on, and yeah, it looks pretty if you like that sort of thing. That added a little bit of extra touch, but as I said, I don't like sewing, and I'm quite happy to have it like that. I think that's quite pretty. So that's super simple number 4 from Pink Monarch Prints, Anna. I'll put her link where you can go to her Etsy shop and get the kit, reasonably priced, and as with all of these 10 kits. And yeah, have fun. Catch you next time. Bye.